Welcome back. Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial concepts in digital marketing, cost per click or CPC. So, what is CPC? It's a pricing model where advertisers pay every time someone clicks on their ad. Unlike traditional ads, you only pay for engagement, making it performance driven. Here's how it works. Advertisers bid on keywords. The higher the bid, and the more relevant your ad, the better your chances of being seen. Quality score also plays a role, affecting your CPC. For example, if you spend $200 on a campaign and get 1,000 clicks, your CPC is just 20 cents per click. This shows how much you're paying for each visitor. Several factors influence your CPC, like keyword competition and ad quality. High-demand keywords usually cost more than niche ones. CPC compares to other models like CPM, where you pay per thousand impressions, and CPA, where you pay for specific actions. CPC drives targeted traffic at a measurable cost. To optimize your CPC campaigns, focus on keyword research, use negative keywords, and run A/B tests. Track your performance metrics to maximize ROI. So that's a breakdown of cost per click. Mastering CPC is about smart targeting and strategic bidding for real results. For more in-depth guides on digital marketing, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com. See you there.